The two-hand kettlebell clean is a great way to practice that transition going from the top of the handle into the horns. So what that's going to help you with is understanding the timing of the bell and understanding how to move around the weightlessness of the bell. So going from the handle, you're going to extend into that standing position. As that weight is weightless, you're going to transition to the horns, so the side of the bells, maintaining as much core tension as possible. To regress the two-hand clean, the best thing you can do is lower the weight. This is going to allow you to slow down the movement. If the weight's too heavy, you're not going to be able to slow it down, and you're not going to understand that transition from the handle to the horns. So once you've slowed it down, if that's not enough, you're just going to have to keep lowering the weight until you feel like you have 100% control of the exercise. To progress the two-hand clean, you're going to speed up the movement. Once you've gotten to that terminal distance, that terminal speed, without breaking form, then we can increase the weight. After we've increased the weight, then we can continue to increase the speed.